A little update on my DD subwoofer. I got it done and built. As you guys can tell, it is super stiff. It's got 4 spiders in it. And the reason why I built it so stiff is it's going in a home theater. It's going to be in a 3.5 cubic foot box and tuned to 32 hertz. So I wanted this to be really stiff to be able to be in a big box. It's got custom spider landings, dual space landings. There's a spacer under here, 1/2 inch, then 2 layers of spider, then another spacer, and another 2 layers of spider on top. It's a 1500 series motor. It's got a little bit of rust on it, but no biggie. It's just being used for my home theater, like I said, so it'll be fine. And the side that you will see actually turned out looking really nice. I gotta clean up the fingerprints and crap on the cone, but yeah, I think it looks pretty good.